Hi there, this is Steve Miley, the Market Chartist on behalf of ForexTraders.com. And we're now going to look at the US dollar versus both the Australian dollar and the New Zealand dollar. The US dollar just about enjoying a very small rebound recovery effort in here, not just against these currencies, the Aussie and the Kiwi dollars, but also against many of the major G10 currencies. Just going into the end of January, a slightly more positive tone as US yields, longer term yields, broke out to new multi-month, even multi-year high levels on the yields. That's helped the US dollar have a slight correction in here, but only a slight correction, and we do see it as a correction consolidation of pulls with the underlying, as you can see here, the underlying bearish theme in here for the US dollar. So this move higher from December, the US dollar losing ground from December, middle of December, against most major currencies, and here against the Australian dollar. More recently in here in late January, just pushing up here to 81.36 above this peak here from September of last year, 81.25, an important peak. And despite this setback consolidation we've seen, we do look for the bullish theme to re-energize, potentially today into the end of this week, Thursday, Friday, and then certainly going through into the first part of February. We look at the bigger chart in here on the daily chart, you can see getting above that 81.25 peak, and we go all the way out to the weekly chart, and you can see real risk now with this bull theme on the weekly chart to push for higher targets up here, 81.64, 82.95 going forward into February. If we look at New Zealand dollar in here, similar theme in here, New Zealand dollar strength, but really reflecting US dollar weakness back here from February. The market again more recently above this September peak at 74.34, just up to 74.37. Yes, we've had a setback again with a little bit of US dollar strength, but that fading right at the end of January with this rebound for the New Zealand dollar, and we do see bullish pressures both going into the end of this week, into early February, and beyond into next week, into early to mid-February. So, and again on the bigger chart in here, go to the daily chart, poking above that 74.34 level up to 37, and risk going forward up to here, up to 75.58 into February and maybe above. Again, this has been Steve Miley, Market Chartist for ForexTraders.com, and I wish you a great trading day.